open your book page 919 and let's solve together the independent practice. In 9 to 20, find the reciprocal of each fraction or whole number. Look at exercise 9 here. What's the name of this fraction? It's 5/9 or 5 out of 9. Can you find the reciprocal? You can get the reciprocal of the fraction by switch the numerator and the denominator numbers of the fraction. So let's flip upside down. It's gonna be 9 out of 5. It's so easy, right? Exercise 10. Here you have whole number 8, but how can I flip this 8? There is no two terms here. It's whole number. So first, change this whole number to a fraction. How? 8 equals what? 8 equals 8 out of 1. So now I change or convert this whole number to be a fraction by easy way, because 8 out of 1 or 8 divided by 1 equals 8. Now, can you find the reciprocal of this fraction? Yeah, flip upside down. It's gonna be 1 out of 8. So the reciprocal of 8 equals 1 out of 8 or 8. Exercise 11, 5/6. Here, what the reciprocal of 5/6? Flip upside down, it's gonna be 6 out of 5. Easy, right? Exercise 12, we have 23. It's a whole number. How can you flip it? There is no two terms up and down. So make this 23 as a fraction. How? Put 1 as a denominator. So 23 out of 1. Now, can you find the reciprocal of 23 out of 1? Yeah, flip it. It's 1 out of 23. So directly, can you find the reciprocal of 6? Yeah, teacher, it's 6. What the reciprocal of 5? Can you answer? Yeah, it's 5th. Okay? Here. Exercise 21. Find each quotient. What the meaning of quotient? Quotient is the answer of division equation. We have here division equation. Can we solve it? Yeah, teacher. I will use the multiplication equation, the inverse operation of division, to solve this one. So let's keep the dividend as it. So here 8 gonna be the same 8. Change the division to be multiplication. Flip upside down or find the reciprocal of 8/3. What the reciprocal of 8/3? Flip it upside down. It's gonna be 3/8. Now let's solve it. But teacher, this 8 is still a whole number. How can I change it to be a fraction? Put 1 as a denominator. Now multiply numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. So the answer is gonna be 8 times 3 equals 24. 1 times 8 equals 8. Can you simplify? Divided by 8. Divided by 8. 24 divided 8 equals 3. 8 divided 8 equals 1. And you know that 3 out of 1 equals 3. Can you solve it by another way? It's easier way and shortcut. All of you love the shortcut. So here we have 8 out of 1 times 3 out of 8. Here, teacher, we have common factors up and down. Here, 8. So I can divide 8 divided by 8 equals 1. 8 divided by 8 equals 1. Now we have only 1 times 3 and 1 times 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 1 times 1 equals 1. 3 out of 1 equals 3. Now let's solve exercise 22. 48 divided by 4/5. So change, flip. 48 times, flip, find the reciprocal of 5/5. 4/5 is going to be 5/4. Let's change the whole number 48 to be a fraction with the denominator 1. Now, can you divide 48? Here we have common factor. Yeah, we have 4 as a common factor of 4 and 48. So 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 48 divided by 4? Do you know? Let's solve it together. 48 divided by 4 equals 4 divided by 4 equals 1. Bring down 8. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So here 0, 0, happy end. So here the answer is 12. So we simplified from inside before to find the big answer and try to simplify. So here 48 divided by 4 equals 12. Now 12 times 5 equals what? Do it with me. 12 times 5. 2 times 5. Exercise 21, find each quotient. Quotient is the answer of the division equation. Okay, here we have 8 divided by 8 thirds. Let's solve it by the inverse operation of division, which is multiplication. Keep the dividend, change the division to be multiply, and flip and find the reciprocal of 8 thirds. It's gonna be 3/8. Keep 8, multiply and flip upside down. Now let's multiply here. 8, it's a whole number, so let's change it to be a fraction. Make 1 as a denominator. 3 times 8 equals 24. 1 times 8 equals 8. And 24 out of 8, or 24 divided 8 equals what? 24 divided 8 equals 3. I can solve it by another way, by the way. Look at here. Simplify. Look at here, we have common factor up and down. So 8 divided 8 equals 1. 8 divided 8 equals 1. 3 times 1 equals 3. 1 times 1 equals 1. So 3 out of 1 equals what? 3. Now let's solve exercise 21. 48 divided by 4/5. Keep, change, flip upside down. So 48 times flip 4 out of 5 upside down. So it's gonna be 5 out of 4. Find the reciprocal of 4/5. Now let's change this whole to be a fraction. Put 1 in the denominator. Now can I simplify? Yeah, teacher, we have common factor between 4 and 48, which is 4. So 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 48 divided by 4 equals what? Let's divide it. 48 divided by 4. 4 divided 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. Subtract 4 minus 4 equals 0. 8, bring down 8. Now 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. Subtract 8 minus 8 equals 0. So the answer is going to be 12. Now we have 12 times 5. 12 times 5 equals what? Equals 60. 1 times 1 equals 1. So 60 out of 1 equals 60. Number 23. 7 divided by 2/3. Okay, so keep 7. Change divide to be multiply. Flip or find the reciprocal of 2/3. The reciprocal of 2/3 is 3 halves. I will flip the fraction upside down. Now let's change this whole to be a fraction. 7 out of 1. 7 times 3 equals 21. 1 times 2 equals 2. Okay, this is improper fraction, so let's divide. 21 divided by 2. 2 divided 2 equals 1. 1 times 2, 2. Subtract 2 minus 2 equals 0. Bring down 1. 1 divided by 2 equals what? Can't be, teacher. 1 smaller than 2. So I would put 0. 0 times 2 equals 0. Subtract 1 minus 0 equals 1. So this is the remainder. Okay, look at here. Take care. Don't stop with 1 here because 1 it's not a remainder. It's just I bring it down. I have to complete my division to find the remainder, which is the answer of the subtraction equation. Okay, so here, can we write a mixed number? Yeah, where is the whole number? The whole number is the quotient. It's 10. And what you write it down, put it up. So it's 1 out of what? Out of 2, the same denominator. Number 24, 3 divided by 7/8. Keep 3, change division to be a multiplication equation. Find the reciprocal of 7/8 or flip it upside down. It's going to be 8/7. Change the whole number to be a fraction. Put 1 in the denominator. 3 times 8 equals 24 out of 1 times 7 equals 7. Improper fraction. Let's divide it. 24 divided by 7. Think about number. Times 7 equals number less than 24. 7 times 3. 3 times 7 equals 21. Subtract 4 minus 1 equals 3. So let's write the mixed number. Where is the whole number? Is the answer, the quotient of 3. What you put it down, put it up. So here 3 out of what? The same denominator, 7. If you like this video, press the like button. Also remember to subscribe the channel to get your latest lessons right here on the YouTube.